The first thing you're going to do is pick up that loose end of your yarn and kind of secure it in your fingers in the back, and then you're going to wrap it around from back to front, your fingers twice, and I like to use 2 fingers there. Now make an X with the yarn and hold that steady with your thumb, and then you're going to look at the back of your hand, and now you need your hook. You're going to slide under that first strand of yarn and over the second strand. See that? And we're going to grab that with the hook. I'll show you from this other angle here. Underneath that first one, and then grab that second strand of yarn with the hook. And now you're going to pull it through and kind of twist so that that yarn stays on your hook. With me so far? All right, now you're going to take your working strand and yarn over and pull through that loop. Go nice and slow here to make sure you get it. And now you've created a slip stitch around this loop of yarn. Now pinch that with your fingers and take it off. Now you see you have your tail there and your working yarn. You want to rotate it so that your tail is off to the side there, so that you are going to be crocheting over the tail and the loop that you made. All right, it's going to pull that out, and let's do that one more time so you can see it. You're going to secure the yarn, wrap it around your fingers, making an X. Hold that X steady with your thumb. Now take your hook under the first strand, over the second strand, and pull that through, rotate it around. Yarn over with your working yarn and pull through that loop that you have on your hook. Nice and slow. There you go. Now take the loop off of your fingers and turn it so that you have the tail and the loop that you'll be crocheting over. And then we're going to make, for this project, we need 6 single crochet stitches in our loop, but you'll do any project that has a magic loop, you'll make however many stitches it says. But you're just going to insert your hook into the loop, pull up your loop, and then finish off your single crochet stitch just like normal, making sure that you're inserting your hook in the middle of the loop and working around both the tail and the loop yarn. So you're working around 2 strands of yarn at that point. There's 3, 4, maybe. 5 and 6. Now we have to close our loop. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Now we have to close that loop. So you're going to hold it steady and you're going to pull on that tail and just pull it until that loop closes. And look at that tight little circle in the middle there. And then we're just going to pull it tight and find that first stitch, and we're going to make a slip stitch into that first stitch there by inserting our hook under both loops, pulling up a loop, and then pulling it through the other. And there you've made a magic circle. See, that wasn't so bad, and now you know how to do it.